Namaste, my friends. Welcome to this guided body scan meditation for deep relaxation and healing. You can do this on a yoga mat or in bed. And also I suggest that you use a bolster or couch cushions or pillows for under your knees. That way your knees are in flexion, your knees are bent, and there's no tension in your lower back. And then if you want, you can grab a blanket or just make sure that you're warm enough for this meditation. Then slowly come into a lying down position, lie down on your back. Heels are wider than your hips. Arms are along your body. Palms facing up. Take a moment to settle in, so make sure that you're as comfortable as possible and that you're warm enough. Maybe undo your hair. Once you're comfortable, try to find complete stillness. You will benefit most from this meditation when your body is completely still. So take a moment for yourself, get as comfortable as possible, then close your eyes and let's begin. Take a few deep belly breaths in and out through your nose. Keep your awareness on your breath. Notice the in and exhales through your nostrils. Notice the expansion in your torso as you inhale. The relaxation and softening as you exhale. Notice the cool air as you inhale, cool air entering your nostrils, and the warm air coming out of your nostrils. Take a few more deep breaths. And then allow your breath to follow its natural pattern. Maintain awareness on your breath and on your body. Keep observing the rise and fall of your tummy, your rib cage and chest, your back body. Notice the relaxation and softening of your body with each exhale. And allow yourself to relax and sink deeper into your lying down position with each exhale. Allow your body to get heavier and softer every time you breathe out. Then slowly bring your awareness to the contact points of your body with the ground or the surface that you're on. Notice every area and every part that connects with the ground. Imagine that you're being held or carried by the earth. And allow yourself to completely surrender to that feeling. Allow yourself to be held and completely supported. Then take a nice deep cleansing breath in and out through your nose. Releasing our awareness of our breath and a connection with the ground. Focus on the sensation of hearing. Notice 3 sounds. Bring your awareness to the farthest sound that you hear, without any attachment. It could be a sound outside of the construction or the space that you're in. Just observe without any attachment, without trying to identify its source. Then bring your awareness to a second sound, a little bit closer by. Again, keep your mind open. Simply notice it. And then bring your awareness to the last sound close by. And then release. Release a sense of hearing with a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Let's begin our body scan. Bring your awareness to the right side of your body, to the right big toe. Feel your right big toe and experience it. Then the second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Sole of your foot, heel, top of your right foot, ankle, shin, your right knee, thigh, your right hip, waist, chest, right shoulder, armpit, right upper arm, elbow, your forearm, right wrist, your right hand, right thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky finger, back of your hand, palm of your hand. Now bring your awareness to the left side of your body. Your left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Sole of your foot, left heel, top of your left foot, your left ankle, shin, left knee, upper leg, hip, left waist, chest, armpit, your left shoulder, upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, your left hand, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. The back of your hand and the palm of your hand. Bring your attention to your back body. Focus on the back of your right heel, right calf, back of your right knee, upper leg, hip, waist, rib cage, shoulder blade, shoulder, right side of your neck, right side of your head. Bring your awareness to the left side, left back heel, calf, back of your left knee, upper leg, buttock, your left hip, waist, left side of your rib cage, shoulder blade, shoulder, left side of your neck, left side of your head. Bring your awareness to your head, back of your head, top of your head, forehead, your right temple, left temple, your right eye, left eye, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, the space between your eyebrows, your right cheek, left cheek, right side of your jaw, left side of your jaw, your nose, right nostril, left nostril, upper lip, lower lip, the contact point between your lips, your tongue, and your chin, your throat, and the back of your neck, your right ear and your left ear. Bring your awareness to your whole front body, your whole front body. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Bring your awareness to your whole back body, your whole back body. Take a deep cleansing breath in and out through your nose. Bring your awareness to your whole body inside and out. Bring your awareness to your whole body, relaxing your whole body. Relaxing your whole body more and more with each exhale. As you inhale loving light, healing light. Exhale relaxation and everything that you no longer need. Imagine that your breath flow is like the ocean waves. As you breathe in, bring in healing light, health, love, peace. Feel the wave washing over you from your toes all the way past the top of your head. And each time you exhale, let the ocean wave wash everything away from the top of your head all the way down and past your toes. Everything and anything that you no longer need. Visualize this ocean wave with each breath that you take. Inhaling peace, deep relaxation, healing. Exhaling everything else. Make it your last ocean wave breathing cycle. As you exhale, release and let go of everything that no longer serves you. Allow your breath to settle and notice the quality of your breath. Notice your skin and the air caressing the exposed areas of your skin. Notice your clothes hugging your skin, hugging your body, and notice the earth carrying, holding, and supporting you. You're welcome to stay here for as long as you want or time permits. And otherwise, begin by taking a few deep breaths to slowly introduce movement into your body. Notice the expansion as you inhale of your whole body. The relaxation, softening of your body. Then gently move your fingers, your hands, your feet and your toes. Tune into yourself. Feel free to stretch your body out, to yawn, sigh. And then whenever you're ready, slowly pull your knees up, rolling over to your right side into a fetal position. And from there, gently push yourself up to a seated cross-legged position. Sit up tall and relax your shoulders. Slightly dip your chin and press the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth to ground down. Then slowly blink your eyes open and let's seal this meditation together with a deep breath in. Circle your arms up. Exhale, let your palm unite and draw your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart. Acknowledge and thank yourself for taking this time to do your meditation practice. And thank you so much for letting me be part of your meditation practice. May this meditation be a blessing to you, from my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Start your day feeling blissful with a free Blissful Morning Guide. Get yours by clicking the first link below in the description box. Just enter your first name and email and I'll send it to you right away. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for free yoga and meditation videos every Tuesday. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and let me know what your favorite part was and how this video went for you. And I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye for now.